It is Friday, May 19th, 2017, and welcome to this episode of Code Evolution. Today I thought, I really need to catch up on some Angular. It's been a while, and I thought one of the ways to do that is to go ahead and do the CLI Quickstart from Angular I/O. So we're going to actually do that today using WebStorm. So here we have our CLI Quickstart, and we're just going to basically walk through these steps, and it should be pretty easy. So set up the develop environment, create a new project, scale it down to serve the application as the application. Okay, pretty straightforward stuff, and you can download the example. But if you're in the middle of doing something, and including being maybe in an interview or something to that effect, you kind of want to be able to reach out for this and be like, hey, look, I can set one up real quick, and kind of go from there. So the first thing we're going to do is go into here in WebStorm, and I set up just this Angular 201705 because that gives me an idea where we're at. We're just going to follow these instructions, and that's npm install -g at Angular/CLI. Okay, and that's a good idea. I haven't done this before, but I'm doing it now. Okay, so step 2 is we create a new project. So we're going to go back and do ng new my app. Okay, so step 3 is we serve the application. So we're going to go back here and type cd my-app and ng serve --open. And if you look over here, it's loading up and the app works. So that's a great way to get started. Let's look at our code. Cool, so it gets us up and running. We have a tsconfig, great. We're using ES2016 is one of the libs, that's great. Cool, it's installing type roots, that's awesome. I don't know if it's really necessary. Module resolution is Node. Yeah, this is great. And here we go, we got our source. So yeah, this really gets you up and running. The nice thing here being is that you can easily create your app by name, and therefore it just makes it really easy to keep going. I know this is kind of silly for some people. They're going, well, duh, but if you didn't know about CLI and you didn't know how easy it is to get started, this is definitely the way to go, at least getting up and running. And as you might notice, you can also download the example and be off and running that way. But this is kind of nice because the CLI, you can name your projects, etc. So I hope this video helps somebody. It may not be useful for everybody because they might be familiar with this. But if you like this video, please give it a like if it helped you, and click subscribe for more content like this. See you next time.